We are here at the Hodges Library, UT campus. Everyone is saying, wash your hands, don't touch your face, but we have so many students coming through the library that we really want to make sure that we clean, disinfect, and then just double disinfect again to make sure that when they come back and they touch something, there are no germs there. I think Facility Services is doing a great job of coordinating, and we're getting so many things clean. I mean, we're doing carpets, floors, windows, any touch point. We make sure that we clean that with an HDQ cleaner, and then we're using a Clorox wipe to wipe it, and then we follow it up with the newer 360 Clorox spray machine. But that's what we're here for, to clean everything, disinfect everything, so that when fall begins and the students are back full force, we're ready for them.